Hey guys, Cassie here. So I've been avoiding this fat burning video, this cardio video, because you and I both know that I don't really like burpees, but they are definitely in this video, and you did ask for it in the comments in the last one. So here it is, guys. Your 5 best fat burning moves. Be careful. These are gonna be tough, they're gonna be high intensity, and you're gonna hate me, but love me all at the same time. Let's go ahead and get started. 5 moves. The first one is the star jump. All right, legs are gonna be all the way out, hands together just like so. You're gonna tap the floor and you're gonna lift up into a star. You ready for this? Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Down and lift. Make sure to really lift off the ground here. Extend the arms, extend the legs, and breathe. Good job, guys. Up. And we're gonna make you sweat, because this is what this video is about. You asked me for it, and I'm gonna give it to you. Come on, lift. You feel those thighs, you feel that butt. Great total body move. Come on, woo! Give me 10, 9, come on, 8, woo, 7, legs burning, 6, come on, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more, 1, and down. Very good, those thighs are burning. Now going onto the floor, okay? I want you to go ahead and bring the hands forward. Right here, we're gonna go into in and out donkey kicks. Out, in, lift yourself all the way up, okay? Breathe, inhale through the nose, big exhale through the mouth in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Boom, boom, lift. And ba, ba, lift. If you can't do that, walk, walk, in. Keep going, out, in, up. And lift. Working those arms, working the core, and working those legs. And lift. 10, up, 9, reach, boom, boom, up. Very good. 5, woo, 4, lift, 3, 2, come on guys. 1 more, boom, boom, up, and onto the knees. Oh my goodness, my legs are dying. Okay, I'm gonna get up. All right, I don't know if I can do burpees to you right now or not. Let me think. Yes, we are. All right, we're gonna do burpees. You guys ready for this? I'm not. We're gonna add in the push-ups so it's not completely just cardio because I'm out of breath. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. We get up and out. Now give me a push-up. And bring it in and lift. Very nice, guys. Coming all the way down to the floor. If you need to go on your knees, you can go ahead and do it just like this, or you can omit that part and just continue the cardio intensity. Down and lift. Oh, never would I think that these push-ups would be like a rest. How you doing, guys? You suffering? Because I am. You know what? It's gonna be worth it. Keep going. And down. Lift. Woo. Very nice, guys. So far, these are my favorite of this whole routine. I don't know why I put this whole routine together. It is killing me. Give me 3 more. And 3. Woo. And lift. Good. 2. 1 more, guys. You got this. 1. Down. Up. In. And reach. Oh my goodness. My guys, okay. Now we have mountain climbers, okay? Still hard. Not as hard as that one though, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and come down all the way onto plank. Inhale, exhale through the mouth, knees in the chest. Let's go, here. Whew. Right there, knees all the way in, eyes forward, butt down. Good job, come on. You guys are almost there. Let's do this. Inhale and exhale. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, go harder. 5, give me 3, come on. 2, 1 more, 1, and hold that plank. Inhale, big exhale, press yourself back into down dog, heels pressing into the floor. Walk the hands in towards the toes and slowly lift up. Okay, you ready for your last one? This is reminiscent of our Lolo Jones lunges. These are your split squat jumps. Let's kill those legs. Right now, let's finish hard. Here we go. Down in that squat and lift up. And boom. and reach. Good, up. Nice, guys, give me some air here. Beautiful, really lunge down, working the legs, working the butt. Woo! Feeling it? Let's finish strong, guys, come on. Give me 10, 9, 8, 7, good, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, hold 1, hold it, 5, 4, 3, 2, lift up. Oh, guys, that was so intense. My legs are burning and I'm dying. Anyway, I'm so proud of you for finishing this video with me. It was really hard, but it really got to the point, burned that fat, and you're feeling good and energetic now. So thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to print out your April abs calendar to work it with me this month every single day. You have a routine set for you, so you don't even have to think about anything. Then for the next 4 weeks, then you get a new routine to make sure you don't plateau. So great job, and I'll see you next time. Keep training hard. Bye. Try to suck your belly button in, press everything down, okay? Now, bring those legs up high. What we're gonna do is go into our crisscross scissors, which are gonna tone the inside and the outside of your thighs. Up, squeeze, hold, and lift. Hold it right there, don't rest. Lift, and right there, point the toes. Up,